Yes, dear students, after completing this lesson, I would like to discuss with you question answers of the 100 races to the first question. What did Mr. Pentrosky's letter say? The answer is the letter began with a salutation to Miss Mason. Banda's father conveyed his intention to not sending both of his children, Banda and Jack, to school anymore. He mentioned that they were now being shifted to another city, a big one, where no one would care enough about their strange name, a big city with a lot of people having weird names. This was the answer of the first question. Second question I want to discuss with you: is Miss Mason angry with the class, or is she unhappy or upset? The answer is yes. Miss Mason was unhappy and upset as she was not disturbed by the ill treatment to Wanda by the students of her class. She did not approve of the humiliation of a child just because of her name, dress, and house. Question number 3. How does Maddie feel after listening to the note from Wanda's father? The answer is after listening to the note from Wanda's father, Maddie had a very sick and guilty feeling in the bottom of her stomach. She could not concentrate when she tried to prepare her lessons. She had not enjoyed listening to Peggy asked Wanda how many dresses she had in her closet. Question number 4. How does Maddie want to do? What does Maddie want to do? The answer: Maddie wanted to tell Wanda that she did not want to hurt her feelings. So, page number 76, oral comprehension check. Question number 1. What excuses does Peggy think up for her behavior? Why? Peggy thought that she was satisfied that she never called Wanda a foreigner or made fun of her name. She also said that she never thought Wanda had even the sense to know that they were making fun of her. She realized her mistake of taking that or thinking that Wanda was not bright enough to understand her insult. Question number 2 of page number 76. What are Maddie's thoughts as they go to Bogan's Heights? Maddie is feeling bad about Wanda and herself. She is feeling very sad for not even getting a chance to say sorry to Wanda. Question number 3, page number 76. Why does Wanda's house remind Maddie of Wanda's blue dress? Wanda's blue dress was old, faded, but used to be neat and clean. Similarly, her house was small and makeshift but clean. Therefore, it reminded Maddie of Wanda's blue dress. Now, boys and dear students, page number 77, oral comprehension check. Question number 4. What does Maddie think hard about? What important decision does she come to? The answer of this question is Banda thinks about not letting injustice happen to anyone. She makes vow that she would protest if anybody misbehaves with anybody. She won't be a mute spectator the way she did earlier. In a way, the episode of Wanda's family leaving that city walks a major change agent for Maddie's personality. Now you should come to page number 79, oral comprehension check. Question number 1. What did the girls write to Wanda? The girls answer. The girls wrote a friendly letter to Wanda telling her that she had won the contest. She also wrote how pretty her drawings were. They asked her if she liked the place where she was living and if she liked her new teacher. They wanted to say that they were sorry. However, they ended up with just writing a friendly letter. They signed it with lots of X for love. Question number 2. Did they get a reply? Who was more anxious for a reply, Peggy or Maddie? How do you know? No, they did not get a reply. Maddie was more anxious for a reply as she thought a lot about it. She would put herself to sleep making speeches about Banda and defending her from great crowds of girls who were trying to tease her. Before Banda could press her lips together in a tight line, which she did before answering, Maddie would cry out and ask everybody to stop, and then everybody would feel ashamed the way she felt Peggy. On the other hand, Peggy, on the other hand, had begun to forget about the whole affair. This showed that Maddie was more anxious for a reply than Peggy. Question number 3. How did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her? The girls come to know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her as she had asked Miss Mason to give the green dress with 100 trimmings to Peggy and the blue one to Maddie. Later, when Maddie looked at the drawing very carefully, she realized that the drawing had a face and a head which looked like her own self. The head and face in the drawing given to Peggy looked just like Peggy. That is why the girls knew that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her. So, boys and girls, thinking about the text, question number 1 I am going to start. Why do you think Wanda's family moved to a different city? Do you think life there was going to be different for their family? Answer. Wanda's family moved to different city because of her father felt bad about the bad behavior of girls towards Wanda. Question number 2. Maddie thought her silence was as bad as Peggy teasing. Was she right? Yes, Maddie was right when she thought that her silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing because her silence encouraged Peggy to tease her. A person who sees something wrong happening in front of him or her is as much an offender as the person committing the offense. Maddie was too afraid to say anything because she did not want to lose Peggy's friendship. Also, she was poor herself, so she feared that everybody would make fun of her too. So next question number 3. Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb and gee. Look how she can draw. What led Peggy to believe what Wanda was dumb? Did she change her opinion later? Peggy believed that Wanda was dumb as she could not understand what Wanda said. She had 100 dresses, even when everybody knew that she was poor. She knew everybody was laughing at her. Even then, she kept giving the same answer. She even described the dresses she said she had. That is why Peggy thought Wanda was dumb. She changed her opinion later when she saw the 100 dresses Wanda had talked about. She saw the drawings and was highly impressed by their beauty. She realized that Wanda was a very good artist. Page number 81 of your book, question number 4. I am going to discuss with you students. What important decision did Maddie make? Why did she have to think hard to do so? The important decision that Maddie made was that she would never stand by and say something again. If she ever heard anything picking on someone because they were funny looking or because they had strange names, she would speak up. She did not even mind losing Peggy's friendship over it. She knew she could not make things right with Wanda. However, she had decided not in the future that in the future she would never make anybody else unhappy again. She was unhappy that she could not find Wanda at her home. She could not sleep at that night. She thought about Wanda, her faded blue dress, and the little house she lived in. She also thought about the 100 glowing pictures, which were all lined up in the classroom. She was feeling guilty of not having said anything out when everybody else was teasing Wanda. It was her guilty that made her think very hard and arrive at the important decision. Question number 5. Dear students, why do you think Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of the dresses? Why are they surprised? Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawings of dresses because they made fun of her 100 dresses. They believe her to be a liar. They were surprised because they always made fun of her dresses and insulted her. But she had gifted them with those beautiful designs. Question number 6 I am going to discuss with you. Do you think Do you think Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her? Why or why not? The answer is yes, Wanda knew that girls were teasing her. She would have known that the children intended to make fun of her poverty and would have laughed at her whatever she might have said. This could have been the reason for her exaggerating everything, whatever she answered their questions. So, thank you very much. We have discussed the question answers of this lesson. Thank you very much.